Good morning, student. Now we will revise Geography Chapter 1 Resources. Resources are the things which have utility. All things which are available in environment and which satisfy our needs are called resources. Now, classification of resources. Resources can be classified into natural resources, human resources and human made resources. Natural resources are the resources which are obtained from the nature and these are without any modification. Natural resources can be categorized into renewable and non-renewable. Renewable are the resources which can be renewed after some time, like water, air are renewable resources. Non-renewable are the resources which cannot be renewed if they are exhausted. It will take thousands of years to get renewed, like coal, petroleum are non-renewable resources. Next is human resources. Human resources are the most valuable special resource. Education, health and skill are the qualities of human resource. With their education and qualities, they turn one thing into a resource. Next type is human made resource. Human made resource are the things which are made by human efforts, like buildings, roads and machinery, vehicles, all are made by human, so those are human made resources. Next is development and use. Actual resource are those resources of which quantity is known, like a black soil in Deccan. It is known that it is in Deccan Plateau. Potential resources are the resources whose entire quantity may not be known, like uranium that is found in Ladakh, but its quantity is not known to us. On the basis of origin, resources are of two types, abiotic and biotic. Abiotic means those who are non-living resources, like soil and mineral, they don't have life, so they are abiotic. Biotic means living resources, like plants and animal have life in them, so they are called biotic resources. On the basis of exhaustibility, resources are of two types, renewable and non-renewable. The resources that are able to get back again, water and soil, they will be formed again, so they are renewable. Non-renewable means they are not able to get back. After millions of years they come in the same position, like minerals, coal and copper are non-renewable resources. On the basis of distribution of resources, they are ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means resources which are found everywhere, like air we breathe, it is found everywhere, so it is ubiquitous. Localized are the resources which are found only certain places, like copper deposits are found in certain states, not everywhere, so these are localized resources. So why resources are found in different quantity at different places? Certain factors are responsible for its uneven distribution, like physical factors, if terrain, climate and altitude that are different, so that's why different type of minerals or different type of resources are found at different places. So its division is also unequal because those factors, terrain, climate and altitude, that are different at different places. Resources are in limited quantity, so resources should be conserved. We should use them carefully. Careful utilization of resources and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. It is needed for the present and future purposes. We should keep them conserved for the future generation also. There are many ways to conserve the resources, like reducing, recycling and reusing of the resources. Next concept is sustainable development. So what do you mean by sustainable development? Carefully utilizing resources so that it can be preserved for the future generation. Some principles for sustainable development are careful utilization of resources and minimum use of resources, and keeping them preserved from depletion. We should create awareness. We can change personal attitude. We can improve the quality of human life so that resources can be conserved.